What's up guys? Let's migrate CentOS 7 to Rocky Linux 9 with no data loss. You guys have probably checked and found out that there are no ways to migrate CentOS 7 to Rocky 9 directly and also without damaging data on CentOS 7, right? So I will today show you how to migrate CentOS 7 to Rocky 9 directly. This method is specifically very nice when you have tons of data on it. For a test purpose, I will make a VM with CentOS 7. Then I will put some data in it. In that way, after installation of Rocky 9, you can see that data preserved with no damage done on the newly installed Rocky 9. Okay, now I'm in CentOS 7. I will check disk structure with lsblk and also put some random data in data partition. This data should be seen even after Rocky 9 is installed. This is the key point. Data should not be deleted at all. Now I am going in /data partition and put some random data in it with using vi editor. Okay, now I am in vi editor. The file name is also just a random name like not delete, and the content of it is this is fakely important. Okay, now I am checking if the data I put in is well saved. As you see here, it is placed in the file not delete. Now I'm going to install Rocky 9 on this CentOS 7 with no data damaged. Go click on the VM with CentOS 7 on it, and with right click you can see settings in it. Go to DVD and select Rocky ISO image and click on apply and on OK. Now click on the VM again and do right click and select connect to start installation of Rocky 9. Now follow the installation process as guided. Choose your language for Rocky 9. Now you are the important part here. Click on installation destination. Select the disk where you are installing Rocky 9, which is the same disk where CentOS 7 is installed. Storage configuration should be customized. In the middle area, choose standard partition instead of LVM. Now you need to click on CentOS Linux 7 and it will spread down a list for CentOS disk structure. Basically, you are going to go through 3 steps for each partition except data partition. First, choose a partition and copy mount point. Second, check on reformat. Lastly, update settings. Then you will see the same partition will appear in Rocky installation area as well as the CentOS 7 area. Now I will be repeating the 3 steps for other partitioned disks 1, 2, and 3. Okay, partition, reformat, update settings. So check reformat and update settings. For swap area, you do not do mount point. Just reformat and update settings. Now again, the important part for data partition, to type in /data as it is in CentOS 7 and do not reform and do update settings. Do not reform because we are not going to reform the data area at all. We are going to do something really important here because we are not going to damage the data. Now you can see data is in the upper area with other Rocky partitions. Now click on done. Now you can see the summary of what you configured for Rocky 9 partition and accept it. Then you are good to go. You just did the most important part to preserve the data and upgrade to Rocky 9. The remaining part is just pretty straightforward, as same as the regular Linux installation process. Now do reboot because it's all done. I kind of shrank the process because it's kind of a boring process from now on. Check the version and also the data. You can see the upgraded Rocky 9 and also data is just good there. You have upgraded from centOS 7 to Rocky 9. The better is that your data has survived with no harm affected, no damage done. This is awesome because especially when you have tons of data on centOS 7, you don't have to do reinstall or fresh installation.